Samoa's future is in her hands. The upcoming election is a pivotal moment for our nation, and your vote matters more than ever. Number 5, Fast Party promises economic growth. Their policies aim to boost local businesses and create jobs for our people. Number 4, Lali Elmalitoa, our chosen prime minister, has a vision for a prosperous Samoa. His leadership skills and dedication to our country are unmatched. Number 3, education reform. Fast Party pledges to improve our schools and provide better opportunities for our youth. Number 2, healthcare improvements. They plan to upgrade medical facilities and ensure access to quality healthcare for all. SAMOANS. Number 1, environmental protection. Fast Party is committed to preserving our beautiful islands for future generations. Your vote for Fast Party is a vote for a brighter future. Let's make history together and build a stronger, more prosperous Samoa. Vote Fast Party.